Fine. Whatever. We rolling? Let's get to work. Okay. Alright, so this just kills me. There, gotta throw the parking brake switch. Okay, so you can't move the throttle without the... Jesus. I mean, you know. Right? That's all the way to cut off. Just like that. Alright. Let's try that again. Welcome back, everybody. It's time for AV8B Harrier Startup. It's your favorite show. I know it's mine. But tell you what, though. Since it's cold and dark, I want to get some lights in here. That's not going to work, I suppose, until we start the engine. Well, that's going to be fuel proportioners and pumps to on. Throw that big lever. Turn on the digital engine control system. Whoop, 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 whoop. And let's see. How you doing back there? So we got to have the throttle cut off. This really doesn't like that unless you're, there we go, and push. Yes, yes! Alright, now I'm going to turn the cutoff off so it can't go back. That sounds good. Thank you. Alright, let's close that cockpit canopy. Ba-ba-dow. Spin it up. Sounds good. Alright, let's get flat power on. I'm going to do a V-stall takeoff here. What I got to do, though, is I got to tell him to take off a whole bunch of crap I don't want. No, that isn't it. That isn't it. You wouldn't believe how hard this is. Without... No. Oh, man. It can't be serious. There we go. I can't remember. Maybe it's 20,000, something like that. 18,606. I'll just have them get rid of everything. I'm going to have them cut my fuel in half. While they're doing that, let's turn on our panels. I don't use half of this shit. I mean, don't tell anybody, but I don't. You know, here's the one that killed me. Took me forever to find these guys. Get that to auto, video bright, and contrast up. And then it's this guy right here. It's the INS mode selector. I didn't even see shit until I turned that thing on. That makes me happy. Now let's see. I want nose wheel steering. I want my anti-skid all the way up so I can do this nose wheel really high. What's it? Now checking the fuel here. See, they're pulling fuel out. And then once they're done with that, they're going to yank the missiles and stuff off the pylons, and we'll be good to go. You see, I still got those big-ass Mavericks sitting right there. So once they're done pulling the fuel out, pull the Mavericks off, and then we can take off V-stall style. Let's see, in the meantime, that thing, sure, whatever. There, I just want stuff that looks impressive. Landing lights, yeah. I want some Q feel. Who doesn't? We're gonna want H2O pumped into the system. Ooh, hey, what are we doing here? Put those wheel brakes on. Knock it off. They're trying to pull the missiles off. You have to stay in one place for that. I'm going to turn my STO stop lever to just under 70, just near 80, so the nozzles can't actually point backwards, because above 80 they're basically pointing backwards. Are those missiles off yet? Yeah? No? How long can it take? Jesus. I think somebody needs to write the manager. Okay. Oh good, I'm in the HOV lanes. That'll save us some time. Alright, let's see. You put the nozzles down. Here's full up. Here's full down. We got the water ready to go. I didn't know distilled water had played such a big role in vertical takeoffs, but you know, I sure learned a lot. Did they get your missiles off? Hang on. Take a look. No. Assholes. Do I have to request this again? I swear to God, man. I swear to God. Yeah, I'm requesting you take these. Look, I promise not to move until you take them off. There you go. See, that's what I'm talking about. I'm not trying to deliver a 2,000-pound missile. I'm just trying to change your oil. I know that shadow thing is really annoying. Oh God, there it is, it's gone. Oh, there it is, it's gone. Ugh. Now I'll look up at God, and God will tell me if we... Okay, great, here we go. Alright, are we in V-stall mode? He says, yes. Alright. Where's the wind coming from? We got nose wheel steering up, so I'm going to give it a little bit of pitch forward. Let's move the nozzles. And we'll do a real quick turn around. Woohoo! Okay, so that's about as extreme as you can get on that. All right. Okay, nozzles down to 80. Wind's directly in front of us. I could call for clearance, but honestly I think everybody's still kind of asleep. I mean, what is it, only like 10:30 in the morning, so... Ready? Flaps 61, let's punch it! Woo! See you suckers later! Later, skater. Oh, boy, you really got to kind of work with this. There's some wind here. Moving the nozzles forward a touch. Get us some forward flight. Gear up. Nozzles forward a little bit more. 160, 170 nozzles forward all the way. Flaps to Tom Cruise. And we are out of here. Oh, that was just so not professional. Yeah, screw it. Was still able to do cold and dark, set up, takeoff. I don't feel too bad about that. And I think all of our protuberances and things... Oh shit, gotta turn the water off. There we go. All our protuberances and things are put away so we can do some hot shit like this! Woo! Let's do it. Yeah! Oh! That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's bring it back in. Oh, Apparently my guy is feeling a little squished in there. Whoa! We're gonna bring it back around to his house. Oh. Oh man. To my father, who is a real pilot, I am so sorry. This is not how you'd want your son to be flying. Alright, so 500, 501. Let's put the air brake out. Let's look ahead for our target. Just past the horse racing track, apparently, is where the airfield is. Alright. Going back to V-stall mode. We're going to keep our speed down. Put the air brake in. Push the nozzles down a touch. Get the gear down.
Landing gear. Landing gear.
That's right. Okay. So we're going to spool up the nozzles just a little bit. Bring the nozzles to 80. We got gear, we got flaps, speed is dropping. This thing will drop right out of the sky too, so you really need to spool up early. RPM 626. And we are going to come in. Pull the nose up while we increase the nozzle flow. This is where you'd need the H2O. Oh man. Nope, abort. Whoa, buddy. Okay, fine. Fine, everybody. Okay, everybody, nothing to panic about. Nothing to worry about here. I'm just going to pick another, what looks like a promising spot. Shove a little thrust off the side there. Oh, man. All right. We're going to bring it in one more time. Here we go. The best part about this is I can't see it going wrong for any reason. There we go. Oh. Whew. I didn't even use any H2O for that last one. Yeah. Alright, well, that seems like a good enough place to park the plane for now. Sure it does. Alright, let's do throttle cutoff. Where's my parking brake? Good. Anti-skid.
Warning.
I hear you, buddy. I hear you.
Warning.
Turn that off.
Warning.
Dex.
Warning.
Thank you, Master Warning. Generator off. Batteries off. Oh, open that canopy. Get some of that desert air. We did it. Ha ha! Who's the man?